Song Filipino. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video, we're gonna unbox this package from Shein. So this is a boots, but then I'm so excited to show you guys. And then, of course, we're not gonna go if we don't fit this one. So let's gonna fit this one. So I'm gonna sit here. So I have my shoes for the house. Focus. Nice, very nice. So this is the boots, guys. So we're gonna walk this one outside. Come with me, follow me. Yeah. It's so windy, so don't mind my table. So we're gonna on the lights and I'm gonna walk. This is the boots. Thank you everyone for watching. So that will be all for our unboxing video, and of course more driving videos to come in my channel, and also unboxing videos with the boots or any kind of shoes, not just boots but more shoes to come in my channel. So this is it for now, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye everyone.